good to see you.
Hi, you are so beautiful. Love your dress.
Wow,
That is like a
so
spring
beautiful.
flower.
You do look like a spring flower.
Thank you so much.
So Val, how is your student? How's Zendaya doing?
My partner Zendaya is amazing. She's an incredible student, really talented, got a great energy, great focus, and she's doing amazing.
Are you allowed to vote if you're under 13?
Are you allowed to vote?
Yeah.
Oh, because you will crush it. For
You're
the
crushing it. Our kids are going crazy over
you're
you being
gonna
My
under.
daughter Kate cannot wait to meet you. She thinks you are pretty much the coolest thing on the planet.
That's awesome. That's so cute. I gotta meet her sometime.
All right. Well, you are, of course, on Shake It Up on Disney, and we have some video showing you doing a little hip hop. So you've definitely got some moves. Now, are these going to translate to the dance floor? Val, Zendaya, tell us what you think.
See, here's the thing. Some people would assume that because, you know, I'm a hip hop dancer, it would be easier for me to do this.
No, I don't assume that. I think it's very
like
different, right?
It's basically doing the exact opposite of what I'm used to. So not only am I kind of learning something from the beginning, but I have to forget what I already know and what's already naturally in my body. So everything I naturally want to do, there we go.
Right there. It's like he's all about form and poise.
You know, in
right?
hip hop, a lot of that culture is here.
Yeah.
You know, it's a lot of expression through the shoulders.
But can't you work some of that in?
We could, you know, but you can't
you're
work
not going
that
to,
in the Argentine tango, the waltz or the tango.
But
You
this week you might. It's contemporary
It's
first week.
contemporary.
well, there you go.
So maybe start out. Look now, Zendaya won't move. Her shoulders. You're gonna have to loosen up a little bit.
It's very fitting that we have you here today because you're the Latin American dance champion.
I'm the Russian
And the
Latin
Pope loves the
American.
tango.
Yeah, he's
So-
Argentinian, yes, so the Argentine tango hopefully will be seen in the
So
Vatican.
maybe you'll be going to the Vatican to put on a little show for
I
Pope
doubt they're
Francis.
going to have a Jewish guy dancing the Argentine tango.
I love
You know
it.
what? I think it's
Shake it up. It's the name of our show.
Hey,
The
why
video
not?
of this year. Shake it up. And really quickly, did Rashawn give you any advice? He plays your brother on the show.
Yes.
And
He was a contestant?
And did very well.
Yeah,
He gave
he
some
did.
interesting advice.
He gave me some good advice, and I was asking him the other day, I was like, you know, like, can you give me any tips or whatever? He was like, listen, what you need to know is you need to know to blow your nose before you go out on stage. And I was like, what? He was like, because it's live, snot will fly when you spin. And I was like, thank you so much because that's genius.
Well,
I gotta say, that's very good advice.
Right?
It really is because
It's very legitimate advice. And he's like, they got HD cameras, you know, you don't want any of that.
GMA is
looking out
live
for
for you guys.
I
Oh
always
yeah,
consider
yeah.
that.
Right before we came over here,
We do a nose check.